Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a credit card account alert for a purchase on Atlas. All right, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one, just a simple and straightforward topic. So I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Atlas account. You could choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app, or you could choose to log in on the online banking platform. That's the Atlas website. So once you're logged in with your username and password into your account, you're just going to select the credit card account that you want to set up a large purchase alert from, or rather a purchase alert from. Just select that from the account dashboard, and then you're going to click on account alerts and then select the purchase alert options. And now you're going to review and customize the alert settings, such as the alert threshold as well as notification preferences. And you can just confirm the alert settings and make sure you review the alert preferences just to make sure everything is accurate. And once that's done, you're going to receive a purchase alert on your credit card account, and you can review the updated account information on the mobile app, or you can do so on the website. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for a large purchase on Atlas. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys